your car's having problems accelerating, it could be this wheel bearing is completely seized up. I can't even turn this thing. I was literally just driving my car and it was making all kinds of like squeaking noises. So I take this off and this thing will not even turn. So I got the wood down like that. It's basically going 2 pieces of wood going in at an angle. And then this one piece right here under this rivet right there. So those are the only places where you can, there's no other like areas that you can get wood or anything underneath it. So I'm driving out the hub right now. All right, so I ran out of the bolts started hitting down, so I had to put some extra wood under there. That's it. It's almost out anyway. There it goes. It's out. Right there, see, it's completely flat and the bearing's not going to go down that far. You gotta make sure it's going down straight before you start cranking down on it. Really, you wanna make sure it's going down straight. This is just a video of the